This is Thomas. Providing clean air is what he does. The Healthbox app gives him an overview of his daily work planning. Right before the startup, he can easily check the status of his installation, so he knows exactly what to do. The app guides him through the installation process and speeds up the complete setup of the Healthbox. He can easily configure the ventilation system. A simple click on his smartphone starts the calibration. The Healthbox will automatically detect any installation issues, so it helps Thomas to do his work properly and more efficiently. When ready, the app synchronizes all data to the Renson web portal, making his administration much simpler, gaining more time. The Healthbox changes the way ventilation systems are installed and makes the customer happy. Another job nicely done. This way, Thomas can provide more healthy homes in one day.